Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a micro SD card into your Wolfgang GA200 4K camera and how to format it. So we're going to come over to the side here, the side that's closest to the lens, and you're going to see there's a couple ports, USB-C and for an HDMI. But here is the port for your micro SD card. I'm using a 128 gigabyte SanDisk, and the way it's going to work is you're going to turn the back of the camera towards you. You're going to take the front face of the card and have it face you, the gold on the back, and you're going to slip it right into that micro SD port there, and it's got on a spring, so I've got to push it in with my thumb, and it's in. To get it out, you just kind of go like that and pull it out. But let's go ahead and get her back in there, and we're going to format it. I'm going to push it in, and then we're going to turn the camera over. We're going to look for the on button, which is here. Universal on button. We're going to press it and hold it. It's going to open up this page, and you can see I'm shooting video. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the icon for settings in the right corner. And then I'm going to go to the icon for settings again. This is a touch screen, so I'm going to scroll by pushing my finger against it until I find Format Card. And there it is. And now I'm going to click on Format Card, and it's going to ask me, do I want to format and lose all the data on it? Yeah, let's do it. And then it's gonna say busy, please wait. Now it's formatting the card. And bam, we're done. We're formatted. Then we come back. And if you want to check and see if anything's on the card, you can play it. And it says no file. So we're good. And then we just click this to get back to the main page. And Bob's your uncle. You've inserted your micro SD card in there and formatted it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on this camera. Peace out.